Alright, more progress on the gear shift. Used all Yamaha parts, except for these tubes to make a pedestal for the gear shift. So I got reverse, neutral, forward. I even put the detent. So when I turn it, neutral, put it in reverse. Back to neutral. Forward. All this original stuff was made onto the housing, cast aluminum. Shift rod came through here. Detent, I carefully measured the offset where everything had to go. It was a matter of just drilling holes. I welded a barrel nut to this one. As you can see in there, as the barrel nut for the detent, and I just welded the heads of the bolts, cut notches out my plate for the standoffs. Now I was worried about not having no support on this side. Thought it might eventually break. So I'm going to run a pipe. A plate's gonna tie in with a steel pipe that the handle will slide in to give it more support. Probably do that on both sides.